magpadete ng ating mga anak. Pero may mga paraan at maraming mga bagay na makakatulong naman sa atin para mapadali ang buhay natin. Quick background muna, how many years ka nang nagpapadede ng mga anak mo? Mga mommies, 3 po ang anak ni Mommy Flong ha, si Kuya Renz, si Ate Mia at si Baby Matt. Ganun din ba tagal ang breastfeeding journey mo? Walang tigil ba, Mommy Flong, hanggang ngayon?
Yes, exactly. So we started with Kuya Renz, but nung kay Kuya Renz kasi ano siya, mixed siya, Mommy Ara. I wasn't that well versed about breastfeeding, ayan. So, but then si Ate Mia naman fully breastfeed din siya, and then si Baby Matt namin. And hanggang ngayon, Matt is already 3 years old and he is still breastfeeding. Ayaw tumigil. Ayaw talaga.
Hindi pa nag-self-wean si Baby Matt.
Hindi.
Ayan.
Wala pa. Ayaw din niya. Tinry namin, Mami Ara, actually, with hubby's help. Kasi, di ba, mabigat na siya, ganun. Tapos, ayun nga, na-mention mo, masakit sa likod, ganun. So, yeah, it's very true. So, we have nursing clothes, ayan, nursing bra. And then we have creams and ointments for breastfeeding mamas. And then we have lactation treats and lactation drinks. Amazing.
O, diba? Hindi lang siya pangdamit, kundi para rin sa ating sistema, sa ating body, para ma-nourish din siya. Excited na akong malaman ito, mga Mommy Flong.
Yeah.
Pwede kang mag-mention ng mga brands, Mommy Flong, if you want, ha? Para mas specific, para wag mo na kaming pahirapan pa, Mommy Flong. Diretso na. Okay, magsimula tayo dun sa nursing, maternity clothes or nursing clothes. Ayan.
Yung problem ko kasi dati, Mami Ara, is I'm always on the go. I'm working and then sa church, everything. Ang daming ganap sa buhay. And always ko dala-dala si Baby Matt kasi nga wala kaming yaya, di ba? So, yun yung mahirap nung panahon ni Kuya Renz. Kasi 'di ba hindi yung super comfortable yung breastfeeding journey ko, especially especially in public kasi 'di ba, hindi pa uso yung nursing clothes. And then ayun na nga, I'm so thankful sa mga gumagawa at nag-invent ng nursing clothes. And yes, shout out
ng nursing clothes. Ayan, mabuhay kayo. Kayo ay mga modern heroes.
Oo, for breastfeeding mommies like us. Ayan. Thank you so much to Valiant Strengths. And of course, Mommy Care Nursing Wear. Ayan.
Hindi halata na mga nursing wear pala. Pwede natin siyang suotin kahit hindi tayo nagpapadede, kahit nag-wean na ang mga anak natin.
Very true, Mommy Ara. And then, baka sabihin ng mga mommies, it's not worth it to invest on nursing clothes ngayon, especially that it's COVID-19, di ba? Especially if you are team bahay and if you are not working mom. Although I agree a bit kasi, di ba, very convenient nga naman yung mga nursing clothes if you are breastfeeding in public. But kasi ganito dito sa amin, Mommy Ara, we already have, di ba, Kuya Renz is turning into young adolescents soon, and also Ate Mia. So we are teaching them how to conduct themselves properly. So ang pangit naman that I'm teaching them how to conduct themselves properly. Tapos bukas ako nagdede anytime dito sa bahay, di ba? So yun talaga yung, kaya kahit ngayon I'm hoarding or I'm investing on nursing clothes, and I'm wearing one right now. Ayan. Kasi nga, in order also to be an example to my daughter and also to my son on how to properly conduct themselves.
Proceed with our second must-have.
Nursing bras. Ayan. Very, very, very important for me, Mami Ara. Although, natutunan ko, real talk sa mga mommies, hindi ako mahilig mag-bra sa bahay. Kasi ang init, di ba?
Really?
Especially if you're breastfeeding. But, kasi di ba, I'm working, and then sometimes you have to appear in camera, just like now. May mga meetings online. Ayan. May dumadating na Shopee delivery. So, ayan, good thing na may mga readily available na mga bra. And what's good with nursing bra, mga Mommy Ara, is that it makes you feel comfortable. Kasi design siya for nursing breast. Diba? Iba yung natin iba yung ganap ng breast natin when you are nursing mom. Very, very sensitive, diba?
Sensitive.
So,
tapos
kaya,
din, Mommy Flong, hindi mo na kailangan hubarin pa ang buong bra. O kaya hindi mo kailangan sirain ang bra mo. Di ba nasisira yan kapag hindi bra ang gamit mo? Di ba? Parang kung sa Bisaya pa, mabinat ang imuhang pad sa imong bra. So that's why nursing bras are designed really for that. And aside sa direct latching, Mommy Flong, it is really helpful also when you are a pumping mama. Kasi may mga
Mm.
flanges, yung flanges na ating mga
Mm.
breast pump, ilalagay mo lang
Mm.
dyan, tapos mag-work ka na, magla-laptop ka ba dyan, magsa-cellphone ka na. It worked for me before. Yan. Third item na tayo, Mommy Flong.
Ayan, creams and ointments. Ayan. Very helpful ito, Mami Ara. Although we will not wish every moms to experience pain and soreness, but we really can't, hindi siya, basta breastfeeding ka, you will really experience that one way or another sa buhay mo. Ayan. So, I'm so thankful kay Lord na hindi naman sobrang ang dami kong na-experience na gano'n, no? Very very minor lang talaga, Mami Ara. So, but I still have mga MQT creams. Yes, it's MQT. I don't know if it's still, meron pa siya ngayon. Pero nakikita ko pa naman, they have other products. But it's MQT nipple cream.
Fourth item na tayo.
Lactation treats! Food is life! Yung mga lactation treats na gawa ng mga mommies din natin, yes, most of the lactation treats are hand-baked or baked with love by mommies din, no, who are also breastfeeding moms. Ayan. They boost our milk supply. So, puno sila ng galactagogues. Oh my gosh, Mommy Ara, is that correct? Galactagogues,
Yes,
no?
galactagogues.
Ayan. Ayan.
Explain
So,
muna
puno
natin,
sila.
Mommy Flong, ano ba itong mga galactagogues nito? Like the chia seeds, the flax seeds, moringa or malunggay. Ito mga mommies, itong mga galactagogues. Ito talaga yung term mga mommies, hindi namin gawa-gawa. Hindi gawa-gawa to. Ito talaga yung tawag dito.
When you are eating, psychologically, Mami Ara, when you are eating foods that will make you happy, ayan, nag-produce tayo ng hormone that will help us boost more of our milk supply. Yun talaga yung purpose ng mga lactation goodies natin. So, I'm so thankful, no, for this lactation goodies na whenever you feel like so sad, alam nyo na yung feeling ng mga mommies.
To give up na, di ba?
So, nakaka-smile at nakaka-happy yung mga lactation goodies na to. Except na lang, pag katulad ko kayo, may dalawang anak na kaagaw. Yes. Minsan nauuna pa sa'yo na kumain ng mga lactation goodies. Ayan.
Diba? Pero okay lang. At least sharing, diba? Sharing.
Yun din yung good dun, Mami Ara, because they're not just good for moms. They're good for the whole family and very healthy.
Kasi, healthy, that's the term. Healthy siya, Mami Flong, because of the ingredients na nandyan na sa lactation goodies. And mind you, singit ko lang din, di ba? Dito sa Davao City, we have Lacto Vegan Mom and we have Mommy Cuddle Hub. Sila yung dalawang talagang laki ng audience nila. Marami silang mga mommies na natulungan dito. Ayan. And kay Lacto Vegan Mom naman, ayan, nabubulol pa ako. Yung advantage naman sa kanya is vegan.
Vegan.
Yes, may vegan choices at may non-vegan din siya ng mga products. So, if you want na super duper healthy talaga at talagang walang dairy, dun ka sa mga vegan lactation treats niya. Oh, wow.
Ayan. Yung treats ni Mommy Trisha, yung pinaka-favorite ko doon is the Oreo cheat cookies.
Oh my God, magkapareho tayo. I mean, no, I like the dark chocolate one.
All right. So, have you tried the Oreo chip?
Yes, masarap. Isa din yan sa mga pinadala niya. Yung may bago rin siya, Mommy Flong. Yung, hindi ko alam, parang para siyang cereal na coated with dark chocolate. Yes, and vegan siya, Mommy Flong.
Wow. Sige, try natin yan.
Try natin yan. Same ba tayo, Mommy Flong? Aside sa dalawa, meron ka pa bang ibang shops na suggest?
Ayan. Oh, yes. Singit ko lang din, Mommy Ara. Actually, it's Mommy Cuddle Hub. It's all because of her. Kaya na-learn ko or nalaman ko all about the lactation goodies. So, parang doon nagsimula. And siya yung first na naging friend ko. And of course, second, si Mommy Trisha. So, ayun. And then, of course, bias ako, Mommy Ara. Baked Bliss by Peach ni Mommy Chona.
Of
by my
course,
sister-in-law.
wag dapat kalimutan, syempre.
What's good with Bakelist by Peach? Malapit tayo doon sa malapit tayo sa puso, mas malapit tayo sa puso. So, whatever yung kayang i-bake ni Mami Chona, Mami Ara. So, example, if I am craving for her banana loaf bread, which is super sarap, and her carrot and fruit glaze loaf bread, something like that.
Oh my
Pwede ko siyang
God.
i-request na gawing breastfeeding loaf bread. Yes, lactation drinks, of course. Dapat may panulak tayo, Mami Ara. Ayan, so dito sa
Diba? Kasi
bahay.
eto, Mami Flo,
Yes.
quick question lang bago ka mag-proceed na mag-explain dyan. Pwede ba uminom ng kape ang breastfeeding moms?
Oo, di ba? Yun yung pinaka-usual question. So yes, ang sagot ko dyan, Mami Ara.
Huwag niyong i-deprive ang sarili niyo, mommies.
Especially that we have coffee na lactation drink na right now. Actually, madami ng brand. But first in the Philippines and super favorite namin dito sa bahay is the Mother Nurture Lactation Coffee. Honestly, Mami Ara, I'm not a coffee lover. I'm actually a choco lover, but I've learned to love coffee because of Mother Nurture. Ayan, and of course, we also love, Mami Ara, M2. M2, ready to drink tea. Ayan. So, bet na bet
Lahat ng
dito sa
mga ngayon, millennial moms na nagpapadede, present sa kanilang listahan itong M2.
Totoo, M2.
Kasi aside sa pwede kang magtsaa, either hot or cold, pwede
cold.
gawing hot or cold na milk tea.
Yes, totoo. Kaya ata siya sumikat, no? Parang ganun. And they have partnership with other milk tea brands in the Philippines. No? So amazing.
Level up na. I never heard about that, Mommy Flong. But wow, congratulations sa M2.
Yes, they have.
Nila. Kasi
totoo.
Ilang litro ba naman ng gatas ang lumabas sa dede natin, di ba? Dahil lang dyan sa M2. Mommies, baka akalain ng mga mommies, Mommy Flong, na binayaran tayo. Hindi po ito sponsor.
Yes, wala po.
We are speaking not as content creators, but as breastfeeding moms. Experience namin. Kahit tingnan nyo pa yung mga previews na mga content namin na not sponsored, ito talaga yung bidang-bida, yung mga na-mention namin, ito yung mga gamit na gamit sa amin. Oh,
very true.
Yes. Ayan, may mga idadagdag ka pa ba, Mami Flo?
Nako, wala na, Mami Ara. But yes, aside all of this, number one talaga dapat nating isipin, Mami Ara, as breastfeeding moms, is to take good care of ourselves. Yun talaga yung number one. Sa lahat ng mga breastfeeding mamas, keep on breastfeeding your babies because it's definitely best for our kids, no? But if you are not a breastfeeding mom, don't feel so sad about it. The most important thing is that in the eyes of our child, we are still the best mom in the world. So, ayun po mga mommies. And yes, can I greet a Merry Christmas everyone? Yes, Merry Christmas po!
Ganyan lang po talaga si Mommy Flo, mga mommies. Lahat ng mga nasasabi niya ay positive and good words lang talaga. Because very appreciative po itong si Mommy Flo. And that's why everybody loves the Mommy Flo, the queen of MOP. Yan talaga ang title. Mommy Flo, queen of MOP.
Hindi nawawala na description from you, Mami Ara.
Super.
Thank you.
And once again, Mommy Flo, ako dapat ang magpasalamat for saying yes again. Thank you so much. And mga mommies, I hope marami kayong natutunan mula kay Mommy Flo at mula sa vlog na ito. Hanggang sa susunod na vlogmas natin. Bye!